Good morning everyone. In this video, we can see Ennum Ezhuthum English My Classroom. The classroom organization song. First, I read the song. Please listen me. This is where you put your bag. Put your bag, put your bag. This is where you put your bag. Every day in the morning. This is where you keep your bottle, keep your bottle, keep your bottle. This is where you keep your bottle every day in the morning. This is where you sit down, sit down, sit down. This is where you sit down every day in the morning. Now I sing the song with the rhythm. You follow me. This is where you put your bag, put your bag, put your bag. This is where you put your bag every day in the morning. This is where you keep your bottle, keep your bottle, keep your bottle. This is where you keep your bottle every day in the morning. This is where you sit down, sit down, sit down. This is where you sit down every day in the morning. Pack your bag, pack your bag, pack your bag, bag, bag. Pack your bag, pack your bag, pack your bag, bag, bag. Take your water bottle, bottle, your water bottle, bottle. Take your water bottle, bottle, your water bottle, bottle. Wear your slippers, wear your shoes, your slippers, your shoes. Wear your slippers, wear your shoes, your slippers, your shoes. Time to say good evening. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Children, do you like these songs? Yes, you like songs. Thank you, students. Bye. See you later.